it safely.
Yes. I'm so glad to be here.
If I told you that you could create a relaxing, cinematic, Ghibli-style ASMR video using AI without drawing skills, without expensive software, and without a production team, would you believe me? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Ghibli ASMR video from scratch using AI tools. You'll learn how to generate a beautiful story, turn it into detailed Ghibli-style image prompts, create consistent characters, transform images into ASMR videos, and finally combine everything into a polished masterpiece ready for YouTube. And the best part? You don't need advanced editing skills. You just need the right prompts and the right workflow. Let's begin. The first thing we need is a story. A strong story is the foundation of any Ghibli-style ASMR video. Ghibli-inspired content is calm, emotional, atmospheric, and deeply immersive, so we need a soft, cozy, magical storyline. Open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're inside, copy your topic generation prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, then hit enter. This prompt will generate 20 different story topics suitable for Ghibli-style ASMR videos. You'll see a list of peaceful, dreamy ideas such as a girl living in a forest cottage, a quiet seaside morning with a magical cat, a floating village above the clouds, or a boy who runs a midnight bakery for spirits. Take your time and choose one topic that feels emotionally rich and visually beautiful. For this tutorial, you can pick any topic that inspires you. The key is to choose something calm, slow-paced, and atmospheric. Once you've selected your topic, copy the story generation prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Wherever the word topic appears in that prompt, replace it with the title you just selected. Then hit enter. ChatGPT will now generate a full cinematic story based on your chosen topic. Make sure the story feels immersive, descriptive, and filled with sensory details like the sound of wind, the rustling of leaves, soft footsteps, distant chimes, or gentle rain. These details are important because we are creating ASMR content, not just a visual story. When the story is generated, read through it once. Make sure the tone is calm and soothing. If needed, you can ask ChatGPT to make it more descriptive, slower in pacing, or more atmospheric. Now that we have our story, it's time to create image prompts. Go back to ChatGPT and copy your image prompt template. Paste it into ChatGPT. You will notice a sentence that says, "Generate X highly detailed image prompts." Replace the letter X with the number of images you want to generate. You can type 10, 20, or even 30 depending on how long you want your video to be. For this tutorial, I will type 10 and hit enter. ChatGPT will now generate 10 highly detailed Ghibli-style image prompts based on your story. The first few prompts will usually focus on character design. These are extremely important because we need consistent characters throughout the video. Now we move to image generation. Open Google Whisk AI in your browser. Once inside, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt, which should be the character image generation prompt. Return to Google Whisk AI and paste the prompt into the prompt section. Make sure you select the aspect ratio 16:9. This is important because YouTube works best with widescreen format. Now click Generate. Once the image is created, review it carefully. Make sure the character looks consistent with the story. Check the clothing, facial expression, hairstyle, and overall mood. Download the image to your computer. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second character prompt. Paste it into Google Whisk AI and generate again. Repeat this process for all primary story characters are generated and downloaded. Now comes a very important step. We need to generate scene images that contain single or multiple characters together. To maintain visual consistency, upload the previously generated character images as reference images in the subject section inside Google Whisk AI. This ensures that the AI keeps the same character design across different scenes. Consistency is the secret to professional-looking AI storytelling. After uploading the necessary character reference images, go back to ChatGPT and copy the next scene image prompt. Paste it into Google Whisk and click Generate. Continue this process for all the scene prompts. Generate and download every image. By the end, you should have a complete set of cinematic Ghibli-style visuals that match your story perfectly. Now it's time to turn those images into ASMR videos. Open Google Flow in your browser. Click on New Project, then choose Frames to Video. You will see two plus icons. Click on the first plus icon and upload one of the images you downloaded. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the corresponding image prompt for that image. Return to Google Flow and paste the prompt into the motion description or text input area. After pasting the prompt, add one more line. Write, "No need background music, just need ASMR sound effect." Now click Generate. Wait for the video to render. Once it's ready, watch it carefully. Look at the motion, check the sound, make sure the atmosphere feels calm and immersive. Download the video. Repeat this exact process for all the images. Upload the image, paste the prompt, add the ASMR sound instruction, generate, review, download. Once you finish, you will have multiple short cinematic ASMR clips. Now we need to combine them into one full video. For this, open a free video editing software called Shotcut. Inside Shotcut, create a new project. Then drag and drop all your generated video clips into the timeline. Arrange them in the correct order according to your story sequence. Make sure the transitions feel smooth. If needed, you can slightly trim the beginning or ending of clips to make them flow naturally. Since we already generated ASMR sound effects within each clip, you usually won't need additional background music. The beauty of ASMR Ghibli-style content is simplicity and subtle sound design. Once everything looks good, click on Export. Choose your preferred YouTube preset settings, then click Render File. Wait for the rendering process to complete. After rendering is finished, open the final video and watch it from beginning to end. Pay attention to pacing. Notice how the story flows. Listen carefully to the ASMR elements.
You made it safely. Yes. I'm so glad to be here.
It's nice to finally sit down together. The soup smells wonderful.
Yes, please eat up, everyone. Everything is still hot.
It looks delicious, Mom.
Thank you.
The rain really brought these out. Look at this one.
It's perfect.
Mother, look.
You're getting very good at the pleats.
Thanks, Mom. Yours look perfect, too.
If everything feels calm, magical, and emotionally warm, congratulations! You have just created your own Ghibli-style ASMR video using AI. Now imagine the possibilities. You can create a whole series based on different cozy themes. A rainy village evening, a magical tea shop in the mountains, a floating lantern festival, a peaceful countryside morning, a spirit bakery at midnight. These types of videos perform incredibly well because they combine storytelling, relaxing visuals, and ASMR soundscapes. They're perfect for viewers who want to relax, study, sleep, or simply escape into a calm fantasy world. If you stay consistent and upload regularly, you can build a beautiful niche channel around Ghibli-style ASMR storytelling. And remember, the real power is not just in the tools, it's in the prompts. The better your prompts, the better your visuals. The better your story, the deeper the emotional impact. All of these prompts are available in the description. So take your time crafting peaceful, detailed, sensory-rich stories. Focus on atmosphere. Focus on emotions. Focus on calmness. That's how you create magic. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI filmmaking tutorials. I regularly share step-by-step methods to create cinematic AI content, automate creative workflows, and build powerful YouTube channels using AI tools. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.